Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have another makeup tutorial. I know I've been like bombing you guys with makeup tutorials here and there, but seriously, something about makeup tutorials I just love. Like, they're so relaxing and soothing, and I don't know, I just love them myself. So I did this makeup tutorial for you guys once again. I did watch the movie Beetlejuice. I know that movie's kind of like a Halloween-ish movie, so I don't even know why I watched it, but who cares? It gave me motivation and it gave me Halloween, weird, creepy Beetlejuice vibes. So I'm here. I did this green eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I haven't touched my green shadows in such a long time, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a Beetlejuice look. Like, that is what I'm gonna do. So this is what I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoy it. This is gonna be a kind of like a speed through voiceover makeup tutorial. I just figure it's much more easier for me. I regularly don't have time to film. I'm a busy girl. You guys, look at my nails. They are so freaking ratchet. I don't even have time to do my nails. It's crazy. I'm a busy bee, so that is why I have like a really hard time, you know, posting and everything like that. I really want to give myself like a schedule and like really try to stick with it. Like, I really want to post 2 videos a week, but it's really hard for me to do that because I do have a full-time job and I have like a lot of other things going on in my life, so it's hard for me. But anyways, I really want to maybe post 2 videos here on my YouTube channel. Possibly, I know I already do Saturday or Sunday, and then maybe sometime around the week. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, or if I should just keep it to once a week, because I don't really want to bore you guys with like so many videos, you know. But anyways, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and give this video a thumbs up as well. And also, if you have any questions for me, please leave them down below. Follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. Send me, you know, questions that you want to know about me, because I'm pretty I really want to do like a Q&A, because I feel like you guys don't really know me that well, and I feel like I want you guys to know me better, and I want to know you guys better. So if you guys have any questions for me, please send them to me, and I will for sure do a Q&A very soon. If you guys are interested, of course. If not, then I'll just pass. But anyways, yeah. Alright guys, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by priming my face using my Physicians Formula Rose All Day. So I'm just going to apply all over my face. Next up, I'm using my brow pomade by Makeup Revolution, and I honestly don't know how I feel about this product yet. Like, I really like it sometimes, but then I hate it because it dries up very quickly. But what I like to do to revive it is I like to apply maybe like 1 drop of the Maracuja oil by Tarte Cosmetics, just so it can go on a little bit more creamier and just revive the product altogether. Alright guys, so to prime my eyelids, I'm going to use my Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion. This one's in the shade Eden, and I really used to love this eyeshadow base, but I never really repurchased it, and I recently got it again, and I freaking love it. I've been using it non-stop for my eyeshadows, so that's what I'll use today. And then of course I'm going to apply a little bit of Scotch tape just so I can create a really clean makeup and that winged shadow look. And then for today's eyeshadow, I'm using my Morphe 35M palette. This is the Boss palette, I believe. And I'm just gonna basically apply a little heart emojis like I did on my previous videos, so you guys can see what shadows I use to create this makeup look. But as always, I will have all the information in the description bar down below. So next I'm taking my Morphe eyelid primer just to cut my crease just very slightly. I'm not going to go all the way, but just something very small just so I can apply a really nice shimmery shade to go with this eye look. So for foundation, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and right here I went crazy ham on blending my foundation, as you guys can see. And for concealer, I'm going to also use my Born This Way concealer. This concealer, I actually got it when I was a little bit tan, so as you can see it's a little bit slightly darker, but that's okay because I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and just kind of line those areas a little bit more and just blend those two concealers together so they create like the perfect shade. And to set my concealer, I'm going to use my NYX HD finishing powder. You guys, I've been using this stuff for years and I can tell you guys it is amazing. I love this stuff. Highly recommend it. If you guys have not checked it out, definitely check it out. And then of course, I'm going to go in with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. You guys already know how I feel about this bronzer. Absolutely love it. It's my favorite bronzer, without a doubt. I love it so much. I use it consistently pretty much every single time I do my makeup. You guys already know. And then for blush, I'm going to use my Bretmanrock collaborating with ColourPop blush. I don't have it in front of me, so I don't know the name exactly, but I will leave everything again in the description box so you guys can definitely check it out if you guys are interested. And yeah. Alright guys, so for mascara, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. Now, I've been using this mascara probably about 4 times now, and it's actually not bad. It's alright. I guess I can say I like it. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use my Liquid Frost by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This highlighter that I'm using right now is in the shade Canary Bling. It is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I just love this highlighter. If you guys have not tried his Liquid Frost, I highly recommend them. They're so gorgeous. They're stunning. And then for a lip liner, I'm going to use my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. This one's in the shade Love Bite, and it's a really dark plummy shade. I felt like this would go perfect with this eye look that I have on right now. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, but I think it just goes really well together, and you'll see right now once I apply my liquid lipstick. This is again by Kylie Cosmetics, and it's also the shade Love Bite. So yeah. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I went ahead and applied some lashes just so I can, you know, finish it up a little bit more glamorous. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think about this makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!